in combating various respiratory problems such as colds, coughs, flus, asthma, and shortness of breath. Ginger is also effective in removing mucus from the throat and lungs. 5. Motion sickness. When it comes to motion sickness, ginger is a natural preventative. It soothes a queasy stomach and has no side effects. The travel industry is using ginger more and more to combat nausea caused by motion sickness, especially those who go on cruises. To prevent motion sickness, drink a cup of ginger tea or take 3 to 4 capsules of ginger before a car or cruise trip. It's best to take it every 15 minutes for an hour before you travel. This will prevent motion sickness so that you can have an enjoyable trip. 6. Fights ovarian cancer. Ginger may be a powerful weapon in the treatment of ovarian cancer. A study conducted at the University of Michigan Comprehensive Cancer Center found that ginger powder induces cell death in all ovarian cancer cells to which it was applied. Ginger spice has been shown to help control inflammation, which can contribute to the development of ovarian cancer cells. In multiple ovarian cancer cell lines, ginger induced cell death at a similar or better rate than chemotherapy, with no side effects. 7. Lowers cholesterol. Ginger also lowers cholesterol levels by interfering with cholesterol biosynthesis. These effects may prevent blockages of blood vessels, which can lead to a heart attack or stroke. Ginger's antioxidant properties may also strengthen the heart muscles. According to a study done at the Rappaport Family Institute for Research in Medical Science, ginger extract consumption reduces plasma cholesterol, inhibits LDL oxidation, and slows the development of atherosclerosis. 8. Prevents migraines. Reduces plasma cholesterol, inhibits LDL oxidation, and slows the development of atherosclerosis. Migraine.
Relieves nausea,
arthritis, digestion, reduces respiratory problems, motion sickness, fights ovarian cancer, lowers cholesterol, prevents migraines. And what is it? Ginger. Ginger. Not from Gilligan's Island, but the root. Ginger root.